Alright guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another Powerstrokerick YouTube video. We're out here with a bunch of stragglers here at the shop. I don't know who any of these people are, but I do know if you guys watched the previous video, we have a Ram 1500 Hemi from our boy Daddy Ryan back there. And we have some more PPE parts. Pacific Performance Engineering. We're doing another catback exhaust system, fully 304 stainless. And we're going to show you a sound clip. We're going to show you some exhaust leaks. You got an exhaust leak?
No, you keep kicking that box.
Oh, yeah, I kicked the box a little bit, guys. But anyway, shout out to our fam over there, Charles and everybody. Thank you, much appreciated as always. So we're going to talk about this exhaust. We're going to show you taking the old one off, putting the new one on, talk about some features. This is a full 3-inch catback exhaust. Comes with a muffler, dual tips. I believe we went with the black tips. So yeah, you already know it's like a sore dick. Can't fucking beat it. And yeah, we're going to show you putting her up on the lift and zip bop and the boo bop here. So hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick. Can't beat it. All right, guys. Here's your 5.7 Hemi. We're going to do a little sound clip here for you. Ryan, go ahead and start it up for us. Oh. So here's the before, guys. All right. Doesn't sound too bad. Only a little weak. Oh, actually, you know what? Hop in and rev it up. We gotta give him a little rev test here.
Get a little pepper?
Yeah, we need a little pepper. Oh, that's good. So there's your before, guys. Doesn't sound too bad. We'll see how different she sounds. Hopefully she sounds a little cherried up here. So let's get her up and we'll show you what we're working with. All right, guys, look what we're working with. Resonator, right? Resonator, alternator. So you got everything going up, coming down. Procrastinator, you got this big old cannon of a Muffy right here. And then basically we're heading on down yonder, another resonator. So we're making all this disappear, guys. We're kind of, it's pretty much the same as the 150 that we did. We're unbolting, you know, cat back over here. So we're gonna spray all the bolts down right now. And we're gonna spray the hangers down because you got some, nothing here, but, oh, you got one right here. You got some various hangers floating around. We're gonna unbolt it probably back here, and then we'll just drop it down. Could cut it off if you're not gonna reuse it again. I mean, you know, definitely not reusing it, so kind of show you that. Check this out. 304 stainless. You got your flange coming down. This is all 3-inch pipe. You got a hanger you're adding in. We got a black muffler, PPE, very nice. Basically, you guys, you got two options. You either go straight out the back, like the notches are there, or you can go side exit. So we're not gonna do side exit. We're gonna retain the factory look. So I believe these are not used because if you went side exit, you would have to add a hanger, frame side over here, and you would need those two 90-degree ones, which we're not using. I don't believe we are, so we'll save them there for now. You got all your 3-inch clamps right here. Everything's kind of mock fitted up. It's gonna go something along these lines, kind of mimicking here how it goes around the spare tire. And everything will come straight out the back. And then you got we opted out for the black PPE tips, 4-inch. So we're gonna put them bad boys on and she'll be dialed in. So we're gonna continue, we're gonna start taking this off since we haven't taken it off yet. So yeah, let's take her off. I left my light there. So guys, I don't know if it's a Ram thing right now, but these studs right here, they were all rounded, completely gone. So we're basically gonna cut them as we cut one of the flange nuts off already. We'll cut the other one off up there. Use an air hammer to slam them out. This is off back here. It's a 16 millimeter from the muffler side. So from here, we're basically, you guys could cut everything if you want, but we're just gonna piece by piece, little by little. We might cut back here probably just because we don't want to mess with it. And we're never reusing it. So yeah, we're gonna keep showing you this stuff, taking her off. Alright guys, so for whatever reason, I don't know if it's Dodge thing, these studs were already rounded off before we were here, and they are like a spline, you know, stud, but they did not want to come out, so cut them out, clean this flange up, so we got this piece off down there, the resonator on it, and you got a hanger here, you got a big muffler, so as we go along, we're just gonna unbolt this guy right here. It's a 14 milli. And then, yeah, we're just gonna drop this down, slide everything out of the hangers. I'll show you that. All right, guys, so.
Is this thing supposed to be recording?
Is it recording?
I think.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's recording. It's got the little red thing at the top.
Okay, good.
Welcome to Powerstrokerick YouTube channel,
We
guys.
clearly don't know what we're doing. That's why we're Powerstrokerick, not
Yeah, we're not,
RAM technicians.
so guys, we did some cutting, we did some prying, like usual.
Did you hear that rain outside?
Dude, yeah. So, we're gonna drop this muffler down. We're gonna make sure all the kiddos are out of the way.
Always wear your safety glasses.
Yeah. Yeah, drop this little sucker down. Oh yeah, we kind of half-ass cut that one. I don't know who did that. Guys, you need any window tint, hit up my boy Richie Rich. We're out here in Idaho. We're local. We'll get after it. We'll travel to you. You travel to us. Big Daddy Ryan. I'm kidding, guys. We're not in Idaho. We're in Northeast Ohio. Kia. There you go, guys. There's your old exhaust. Looks like
55-gallon drum.
looks like a 55-gallon drum. So we're gonna basically get all this junk out of the way, and we're gonna just start reassembling everything. So we're gonna start with this piece right here. Obviously the flange piece. We got some new hardware we're gonna use, and we're gonna head on down yonder. So yeah, let's hear what she sounds like. Oh, dude, this thing's gonna be. Cover your ears, girls. I say we leave it. I say we just leave it like that. We're gonna put the wheels on, send you on your way.
Full shot.
Gotta do it, guys. Gotta see what it sounds like. So guys, we're building off. You got your grade 8 hardware for the flange. It's snug right now, but we're gonna not fully crank her down till we're done assembling here. I got a note, you got a little, this is a ground strap. This ain't even a ground strap. This is a damn regular strap. So we're gonna keep going down yonder. Who's laryngitis? Shop dog's back. She's being a little bitch. Now right here, guys, this is what we call some dudes hanging around, taking a food break, some cigarette breaks, maybe a Red Bull here and there, but we'll get back to working shortly. So guys, if you are retaining the factory out the bumper setup, you got bracket here for a hanger and a bracket on the other side. Take these out. What size was that? 10 millimeter, you gotta bend this bracket out a little bit. This was a 13 milli. So 13, take this out and we're gonna install the new red hangers. We're starting from the back because we are going to most likely have to cut this pipe that goes in here to the muffler, but we will continue and we will show you when we're done. So guys, we're gonna have to make some cuts here. That pipe a little bit. We're kind of just mock fitting from the back. No clamps around, but retaining some hangers. Ooh, that guy's gonna fall. We're gonna get that.
I think another pipe goes on.
New burning tool.
Is that what that is?
Mm-hmm.
You're so fucking genius.
I don't feel like I am today.
You know what's on the inside of the pipe?
Yeah, I know, but it's on the outside too. I got one on the inside.
Yeah, it breaks on me, those things.
Really?
Yeah. Those fucking the Goodman coils, they like, you gotta cut the ends off because they're like soldered shut. These fucking shut. And they don't fit any of the fucking, they're all different sizes.
Ooh, I'm about to go use Gabe's fucking motor brush thing.
Dump. Drop that dump it out.
Hey. Oh, was it still on the pipe when you were cutting it?
No.
Was it over there?
No.
Or brought it over there?
Huh.
See, these are the bloopers that you can do at the end of the year.
Oh, it's filming right now. We're gonna put bloopers in. Guys, we're gonna put a toolbox. What happened? Ow! What'd you do?
Nothing.
Like me?
Hell no.
No, not you. Okay. No, I can go. Ooh, see, I don't like
Then
that.
you can rock the chest mount. Oh.
Chest mount?
I don't like holding this stupid fucking thing. Cause I can't
still
see what
recording?
I'm seeing.
There we go. About to leave a light underneath the car again.
That's not holding anything together, Nick. It's fine.
I know. So,
Just hit it, bro.
do we care about this one?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Yeah, I guess Ron's about that. I like that. Brian, what do you think, Bobby?
I think it's under the truck and people don't belong there.
I'm gonna get a C-No made.
What's up?
Getting a sticker made
For?
for that one, not matching the other ones.
Thank you.
Slap it on that back
It was
window.
really bothering me, yeah.
Every time you pull it off, I turn a new one on.
Dude, he reminds me of a young Richie. Put a beard on him, he'd look like Richie.
Guys,
4 days later?
here is your PPE catback exhaust system. We had a few hiccups. This bracket right here, we kind of had to bend this little jerry curl down from everything lining up. So I don't know what kind of operation we got going on here, but it is a sweaty exhaust system. I will say that, to say the least. So we also got to note we had to cut this pipe up here too. We had to cut these pieces off right here. So about that much. Yep. Oh, this one's for the tip. Trim that for the tip. Trim this one off. So here you are, fully installed. Everything's a 16 milli up here, then everything's a 15 along the way. So definitely a little challenging, but nothing that a couple guys in the garage can't figure out on a Friday night, you know, with a couple of Red Bulls, some cigarettes, some good stories. So yeah, looking pretty sweaty if I say so myself. What do you think, bud?
Dude, Shorty got a voice. I'm getting my Nancy Kerrigan on.
All right, I don't know who Nancy Kerrigan is, but guys, check it out. Head on over to PPE. Tell them that Powerstrokerick sent you. Tell them that you're thrilled and you're intrigued by the stainless exhaust. All right, guys, we're gonna do our little startup here. PPE, full stainless catback exhaust system.
Can't do it twice in a row.
Actually, you get it because I need you to rev it too. You know? It's your assessment.
I'm right here, Rev.
All right. Give her a little pepper. Just like that, guys. Yeah. All right, guys, so that's it of this video. Truck's already gone, but we're ending it here. So shout out to our friends at PPE. Charles, everybody, thank you again. Much appreciated. So we did have to make a few little tweaks here and there, you know, but overall, great success with this exhaust. And yeah, as always, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Hit that subscribe button, head over to PPE, buy everything. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.